everyone's time to take this oil to advance in the STI.
Yeah, copyright music. It's great. It's a good time. Am I right?
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm gonna talk until you stop recording.
The first time, did it like almost kill you, or is it fine?
No, it was completely fine. I can drive without a sway bar. It's completely safe to drive without a sway bar. Pretty much what I did was I was just driving home from here, from Oakley, and I went over an off-camber turn and conk. It was weird. It was just a big noise, and I know exactly what it was. It was that freaking the sway bar link popping off.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Red light.
Oh my god, we're moving. Oh, of course. Everybody's turning this way.
Everyone.
Well, maybe not everyone.
Some people. We. Hello, Honda Ridgeline.
I think that's a ram.
That is a saltwater mammal.
That is a saltwater mammal. You are correct. I was like, that looks like a ram. And then I was like, no, it's not.
It is a
Hate me for that one.
saltwater
Should
mammal.
not add that in.
I'm gonna add that
You
in.
better not.
I'm going to. Look at him in his natural habitat, going slow and wallowing around in his own sorrow because he couldn't afford a real truck. Not couldn't afford a real truck. Didn't want to buy a real truck because they're all the same price pretty much.
I was gonna say, no, a Ridgeline is like the same. Why are you braking? A Ridgeline is like
There's a hump.
price. My god!
You saw a hump, thought it was humpback whale, and then slowed down.
Hump. Oh my god.
Remember you fit into the bed of a Honda Ridgeline? Like under the bed?
Did I?
Yeah, because there's a trunk inside the bed. You fit inside of it. We closed it at the auto show.
I don't remember that, but I'll take your word for it. Maybe I blocked it out of my mind because I fit inside of a Honda Ridgeline.
Probably.
What?
Mattress.
What's a mattress just on the side of the road? Alright.
Someone apparently didn't want it anymore.
No. Somebody was like, nah, I don't want this anymore. I think I'm scaring them. They're frightened.
They're frightened from the sexually transmitted infection.
Frightened from the angry rumbly grumblies. Please turn right. Please turn right. Please turn right.
They're going
You're turning
straight.
right.
They are turning right.
Yay!
So I've got Mr. Mechanic down here, and we're replacing all the O-ring, for all the O-rings and stuff on the old injectors. Basically, just pull them out of the fuel rail, which is sitting right over there. The only problem we've run into is the instructions on this say if it has a yellow support ring, which all of them did, do not remove the hat, which we did remove the hat, and I've lost one of them, and they're also all beat up now. So what I did was I, looked at some pictures on the internet on Pelican Parts, and it looks like they actually rebuilt them with this entire kit. So we're just going to go with that whole kit. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, if anyone knows where I can get these like little red hats at, please tell me, because I cannot find them on Pelican Parts' website. And I hope they work though. Huh?
I didn't say a word.
So here's another one. Yeah, you can see how torn up these things get whenever you have to take them off. So we've only got 2. There's 3. There's a third one somewhere laying around here, but
I don't know. It's gone. It's somewhere. It's lost forever.
Yes, that's what we're doing. Anyway, these are the finished ones with all the new rings. There's one on the bottom. There's that yellow support ring which we left on there. They provided with a gray one, but it wouldn't all fit together. The new O-ring and then a new cap. I really hope this cap works. Like I said, I lost one of the other ones, and can't seem to find one anywhere. So if anyone knows, tell me. Hopefully this works though.
Okay, look, where's that?
And we've been cleaning them off with also, where's it at?
It's out in New York still.
It's like a intake valve and turbo cleaner.
Intake valve and turbo cleaner.
From CRC, I think.
Advanced Otter Parts sells it.
Advanced Otter Parts. Well, we found out where the fuel leak's at.
You got a nice crack in your fuel rail.
Right out of there, coming out of the fuel rail on, I think, both sides.
Yeah, right where it meets there at that bar.
That sucks.
A lot.